Welcome to another YouTube video. This video is all going to be about practicing our spellings by drawing around a word. So I've given you some words to practice. I gave you the words early, earth, circle, complete, consider, continue, decide, describe, different and difficult. I'm going to write a few of these words. Let's start with the word difficult. Why not? Now as I write the word, I'm going to leave a bit of a space between each letter. So I'm going to look very carefully. You'll notice if I look like I'm going a bit slowly, it's because every time I write one, I'm just having a looking at the spelling, which I have open. I have our learning menu in front of me. Oh, notice difficult's a great one to do because the F's have ascenders and descenders. Diff, and then I've got the I, diff, I, and then kult, k, a, l, t. And what I'd like to do is draw around this to help you see where the ascenders are. So this one starts from the line, but it has an ascender, so it's going to go nice and tall because a D is one of those letters with the tallest ascender. My I is going to start from the same place, but it's going to be a little bit lower. It's slightly higher than my C and U because of the dot. My F should go nice and tall like my D, but it also goes nice and low like a Y, so I get this nice pattern here. My I, again, same as my other I. My C and U are at the same length, the same height, sorry, so I'm going to do them together and then just split them up. My L goes as tall as my other letters, my other ascender letters. And my T is a similar height to the I actually. It doesn't go quite as tall as D's, B's, L's and F's. And there you can see I practiced my word by looking at using the ascenders and descenders to help me remember the spelling pattern. Let's do one more. I'm going to do circle. I'm just going to scroll up a bit, get a bit more space. I'll leave difficult just so you can see it. Circle underneath. Again, I'm going to keep looking. So I've got, oh, C. So many people start with an S because it's making the S sound. So it's really important when you start practicing these words, you keep looking. You keep looking back at the word. Even I'm doing that because I don't want to make a mistake. Okay. Again, I'm going to start by drawing my C. It makes a box like this because it has no ascenders or descenders. I is going to go a little bit higher because it has that dot. And my R and C are going to be the same height, as actually is my E, so I'm going to do that while I'm at it. And split my R and C up, and my L is going to go the tallest of the lot. Oh, notice, no descenders here. I had descenders here because you can see they're all standing on the line, whereas my F's are going below the line. And as I said, if it wasn't for the L and the I wouldn't have anything going above either. There you go, really simple. It's another great way to practice spellings. If you find a spelling difficult, use one of the many methods we've looked at. This is drawing around the shape. We've also looked at rainbow words where we use different colours. We've also looked at pyramid words. Lots of brilliant ways just to help you start to spot those letter patterns. And as always, keep learning.